Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add stickers to your videos on the Edits Instagram app. So if you've been editing your video on the Edits Instagram app and you want to add stickers, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store. You want to go ahead and search for Edits, the Instagram app. And here you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to make sure you're in the project section here at the bottom. Then tap on the plus sign and you want to go ahead and add a media. So create a new project. Now here, if you want to add a sticker to your timeline from the bottom, go ahead and swipe left until you see stickers. Tap on this. And now you want to go ahead and find your stickers. You can go ahead and search for it. Go ahead and add it. You can go ahead and enlarge it. And you can basically place it anywhere you like. So there you go, guys. That is how to add stickers to your project on the Edits Instagram app.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.